Hey guys, so how to start an online business in your spare time, even if you're super busy? Maybe you want to start your online business, but you are working 40 or 50 hours a week and you have a lot of things to do and you're probably busy, but besides all these things, you still want a side hustle and you still want to make money online. Now, that a common problem that people are having, is starting the business that is not easy. It takes work, and when you are already working full time, you have kids and other responsibilities. This it can be hard. So, with all these things in mind, you have to find time in between those activities. And what I would recommend to you is to start affiliate marketing because it makes sense. With affiliate marketing, you promote other people's products and you earn commission when people buy. And the reason why this is important is you don't need to create your own product, and so you don't spend time on that. And you only need to find a good company with a good product that resonates with your values and that's already proven in the market. So, and then you just have to start referring traffic to, and that's gonna save a lot of time. And the other thing is, if you want to start an online photography business or agency, you could get a few clients, and that's okay. But the moment you start getting more clients, you will spend all your left time on that part, and you will end up without your own personal time. So with affiliate marketing, you just focus on marketing, right? So if you have time, you market the product, and if you don't, you don't. So how does it look? You find 1 hour a day to work on affiliate marketing business. No more, no less. Why? Because you want to build that consistency muscle, and because that consistency is going to be the key to finally building your own brand, the business. But I want you to avoid burnout because would it take 5 times longer to build a business if you would compare yourself with a guy who's working 5 hours a day? Yes, but that's not your reality. You want to avoid starting and then giving up because that's what puts you back so far. If you start right now and commit an hour every day, 5 or 6 days a week, and you show up consistently that hour every day, in 6 months you're gonna have a pretty profitable business, and hopefully by this time next year you can quit your job. So don't be a person who wants to get rich quick for the next 10 years because it's not realistic. You want to build your business with a strong foundation, and so that Rome wasn't built in 10 days, right? So don't let yourself for temptation to go all in for a whole Saturday and put like 9 hours into work, and on Sunday you do nothing. Hour a day, 5 6 days a week, work consistently. Do affiliate marketing with the product you believe in, and I think you'll see some good results. Now, if you need a product and if you need to learn more about affiliate marketing, there's a link down below, or you can go to my 15 days online business builder challenge to see the partner I'm working with. And a lot of other folks are starting to get success with this partner as well. It's highly recommended. Leave a like if you enjoyed, and if you have any questions, write in the comments below, and we'll see you soon. Bye.